Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about dynamic block. It will help to speed up your CAD modeling. For that, drop the objects into a file. And then make a block of each object. Pick a point. Shortcut for block is B and enter. Press BE for block edit and give a suitable name. Now block editor is open. Just press I and enter to insert a door 1. Place it anywhere. Now make a reference line so you can place all the objects according to that line. Holding a shift key will help you make a straight line. Now click on visibility and drop it near to your drawing. Now click on visibility state, add a new layer and name it. Rename the earlier layer also. You can see two square boxes at top. One is for make it visible and other is for making it invisible. Go to layer 2 and make the door invisible in that layer. So now insert door 2 using I enter. Now you can see door 1 is visible in door layer 1, door 2 is visible in door layer 2. Now click on flip option and assign an axis to it. Very careful while assigning an axis because your door will flip upon that axis. Similarly assign to door 2 as well. We just need one axis for this type of door. Now click on action and assign a function to flip. Click flip and flip state object and enter. Now flip to object, enter. Same in door 3. Flip state 3, door, enter. You have successfully applied all the functions to it. Save the object and click on test block. Now you can see the blocks are very much similar to a Revit model. You can change the location of flip axis, then door will flip according to that axis only. Now you can see that. For inserting it, press I and select the dynamic block. Press OK. I forgot to delete the reference line. Double click and you will re-enter into the block. save it and then reopen it. Friends, there are many more options apart from flip. You can try them also. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make more such videos.